Hello guys, welcome back to Forex Beginner School. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use MT4 and MT5. So if you are new to Forex trading, you may know by now that to trade you need MT4 and MT5 so that you can trade in the real market. As you can see down here, I have both of them. I have MT4 and MT5. So for better understanding, I'm going to take them down. I'm going to delete both of them and then install them again so I can show you from the starts to the end. Let me do that quick. So right now I have deleted both of them. So you need to come here on Play Store. But if you are using iOS, which is iPhone, then you can go to your App Store. But if you're using Android, just come to Play Store and then open the Play Store and search up here MT4. Let's start with MT4. MT4, and then you will already see the app is already up here. So you just need to click on it and then click install, and then wait a little bit. It will be installed in a moment, as you can see there. And after this one, we are going to show you the same thing in MT5, so you can choose what you need to use according to your preference and how you want to trade with it. So right now the app has already been installed in our device, so let's open it here. Open, and then this is how it goes. You just click on it and wait. Please wait. As you can see here, open a demo account, and then you will see this one, accept. Welcome to MetaTrader 4 and all that. So just click on accept here, and then again accept, and now you will be able to see how the real market is going. This is the live market here. As you can see here, these are the quotes. These are the currencies pairs, like you can see up here. This is euro, USD, GBP USD. So this is Great Britain pound, based United States dollar. So here you can see very many pairs. So this is like the price fluctuation right now in the real market. As you can see, it's turning blue and red and all that. So in order to trade in the real markets, let's say you are still a beginner right now and you need to practice. You need to practice. You don't just go to the live market because you're going to lose money. So it's best for you to first practice as much as possible before hitting the real market. So for the sake of practicing here, we already have a demo account. Once you install the MT4, you will get the demo account with a balance, which is around $10,000 in demo money, like paper money, not real money. So right now to trade in the real markets, you can just click on the chart here, below here, down here there is a chart. So this kind of stick down here, click on it, and then after clicking on those, you will see now we are in the real markets here. This is the price fluctuation. The price is now up trending, as you can see here. It took off from down here and now it's going up. So to place your trade in this market, you need to analyze the market like this one here. You can zoom in, zoom out. Now we have zoomed in, and you can see the price was coming from up and was down trending, then took a little bit of time here, was more like a accumulation, and then now it's going down. It went down actually, and then now it's about to go up again. So right now you can see down up here, the price is about to go up. So in order to take your trade, you need to analyze this market and see what direction is this market moving to right now. So for this case here, we may see the price going up since it took up from here. So to place your trade, you need to click on this plus here, plus button on the top right. So you can see here, when you click on that one, you can now buy and sell. So let's say we are buying in this market here. So we have now placed the buy order, and then we can check here. When you click on this one here, you will see right now we are down $2, and you can see the account we have balance of $100,000, the paper money, not real money. This is just a demo money. You can use this money to practice in the real market. So we have 100,000, and now we down $8, I think $4, and you can see the price is always going up and down. So for the sake of making this video short, we shall stop here, and then the next video I'm gonna drop tomorrow will be about MT5, because there are different features in MT5 which MT4 don't have. That's why MT5 is the most advanced compared to this one here. So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, so you can get to watch the next video tomorrow. I will notify you whenever I drop that video tomorrow.